Bosio mwanchumu rigereria kagukwana negetasene kegagia Nsoko TV gwetera senchira yesimi Julia Nyanchama uyure umumanyi bwamagana y'abarobia nigo bono ayenekirie buna nigo ense egosiria amagima ya abantu chimilioni 4.3 kira umwaka ayiga nkorengana n'Egeikaro ikegenderete ky'abarobia hase omuchi o Lisbon ense ya Portugal eriko kwandira emirobirio hebwente kobekwa kwenekia gokinia omobaro bw'abarobia burenchere moigo chakwenekia ngotanga bare ugosiria kwa magima asa matukari bosi.
My name is Honorable Julie Nyanchama Nyamao, a midwife consultant and an aspiring governor for Kisii County 2027. We are attending the 34th International Confederation of Midwives Triennial Congress, which is being held in Lisbon, Portugal. And our main objective is to have 1 million midwives. This Congress has been well attended, bringing together participants from all over the world. Over 3,000 participants include midwives, policymakers, researchers, educators, government leaders, and development partners. Our main aim is to expand the midwifery workforce so that we are able to prevent 67% of maternal deaths, 64% of newborn deaths, 65% of stillbirths, and up to 4.3 million deaths that occur annually by 2035. This is very important to Kenya because currently Kenya is prioritizing reducing maternal newborn mortality through a universal health coverage. Every woman, every newborn, everywhere, they were in a movement and strengthening primary health care. Midwives are frontline in delivering sexual, reproductive, maternal, newborn, and adolescent health services, particularly in rural communities. The ICM Congress provides an opportunity for Kenyan midwives and health leaders to showcase innovations and best practices in maternal and newborn health, learn from global evidence and successful workforce strategies, advocate for increased investment in midwifery education, employment and leadership, and strengthen partnerships that improve health outcomes for women and